See?
This one is Vial 1. And Sound Experience 2. And this one is Vial 2.
Okay, 5 video.
As you see, this one is dropping more than this one because this one first dropped. So this one is later. And as you see, lots of food coloring flaws. It makes the dents very big. And this one also. Because we put oil and some food colorings, it just start falling. And as you can see, we add about 50 ml of water in 2 vials. And we use 1 cup to fill with 10 ml of oil, adding with 3 food colorings, red, blue, and yellow, or whatever colorings, and each 5 drops in the oil. Then we put 5 ml of that oil into this water, and this is what exactly happened. Exactly, yeah. And as you can see, they are all falling down very differently and very cool.
And it's very cool. Yeah, and very.
As you know that the top, it kind of have oil. So.
Yeah.
So this, like this. Because we add oil, and water does not really like oil. I don't know why. Maybe oil is just an enemy for the water. And that's what when you fail experiment. A very nasty color. Nasty. And this one is when you have
I want to see what happens.
succeed.
I want to see what happens if you mix this.
Yep. This is what when you mix it. When you mixed it. Because of her. She had too much drops in the vial. And guys, lesson learned. Don't add too much drops in the vial or else you will fail the science experiment.
姐，你不要再做过了。
Okay.
And my sister Younghan will do it again. Very sad.
你要不要再做一次？
Yeah.
And she's gonna redo the